The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
So I'm gonna say this one thing and then I'm gonna end it here and then I'm gonna load the pictures up, right? So if there's a disease that's going around, you know it's killing a whole bunch of people, right? There's no way to treat it. I work at 2 different hospitals and I can personally tell you that we're treating it differently at both hospitals, which means that no one has it figured out, right? So if you know that there's a disease, that there's no way to treat it, basically what we're doing here is we're testing shit out because we don't know which route to go, right? So if you're still out there hanging out, partying, inviting your friends over, only quarantining with the people you know, you're increasing your chance of getting disease, right? Just so that you can come here for us to practice the shit on you, right? Now, how smart is that? How smart is that? So I just want to put this out there for people to think about. So keep hanging out and keep being the test dummy so we can figure this shit out for the smart people that stay home.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, you see it? And you know, we just presented a video to you that shows of a person where he said that, look, stay home or, you know, come get experimented on, you see me? When you look at it, this person is talking some things that is really and truly no joke. You get what I'm saying to you? Because, you know, doctors out there, you know, they haven't figured out how to cure this COVID-19 thing. You see me? So staying at home is said to be the best thing to do right about now, is what I'm saying to you. And I would like to encourage each and everyone out there to follow the rules and the guidelines and things that has been announced out there by the Prime Minister of your country or the Health Ministry of your country or the World Health Organization, is what I'm saying to you. Because this COVID-19 thing, it is no joke, viewers and subscribers, you see me? So wash your hands, keep yourself clean at all time, keep your surrounding clean, you know, wipe your doorknobs and them places where, you know, get touched regularly and so forth. So may I say to you, take every necessary precautions to avoid this COVID-19 thing, you see me? Try your best to don't get infected, you understand? So I just presented a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, and I have another video that I'm going to present to you right about now, viewers and subscribers, you see me? And you know, before I present the other video to you, I want to talk to you about something that had happened within the country of Jamaica, you see me? And you don't know me Dancehall Skilla, I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on, you see me? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, right about now, I'm going to move on to the next topic in hand right about now, you see me? And this is about something that had happened within the country of Jamaica, where it is said that 2 gunmen had been shot and injured by one of their victims, and it is said that these gunmen had been shot and injured somewhere within the Swallowfield area, you see me? Now, according to reports, it is said that somewhere along Constant Spring Road, which is of the parish of St. Andrew, that is of the country of Jamaica, on the 25th of April 2020, 2 armed men had held up 2 persons that are said to be occupants of a motor vehicle. You know, it is said that these gunmen robbed the 2 occupants of the motor vehicle and then abducted the 2 persons. You get what I'm saying to you? And it is said that they brought them to a location somewhere within Swallowfield. You understand me? Now, it is said that somehow one of the victims of the robbery and abduction had somehow challenged one of the gunmen and overpowered one of the gunmen and disarmed that gunman, and then opened fire on both gunmen, hitting them and injuring them. All right, now according to reports, it is said that both gunmen were taken to the hospital, and it is said that they were undergoing treatments, and it is said that they are under police guard. All right, viewers and subscribers, so right about now I'm going to move on to the video right about now, you see? And this video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, this video is going to show off a person that is talking about the Bahamas. You get what I'm saying to you? And this person is trying to, you know, say that the government of Bahamas is creating a panic. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, because this person is saying that, you know, he's in Florida, US, and, you know, people can go to the food store and no rushing lines and them thing there. That's how me understand as to what this person had said. Is what I'm saying to you. And me hear what this person had said and me look into it and me I say, you know what? Maybe others can relate to some of the things that this person had said, whether you're in the Bahamas or not. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, according to how me understand some of the things that this person had said in this video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, it seems as if this person is saying all of these things because of the whole COVID-19 pandemic that's going on within the whole world, is what I'm saying to you. And basically this person is trying to point out some things that had happened within the Bahamas and other things as well. You get what I'm saying to you? Now I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear what this person have to say. Is what I'm saying to you. I'm going to present some of the video, not the whole entire video that is out on social media, because this video is out on social media where comments have been made about this video on social media, and I'm presenting it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think about it. All right, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Okay, so I walked in the store and you can tell, look at the store, look behind me. Look behind me. There's not many people in the store. So I'm walking out of the store and I'll show you there's no long lines here. There's no panic about buying stuff. Look in the parking lot. Everybody's walking. People are walking around orderly. Look, no lines. No lines, people. I walked in the store and bought what I need to buy and I'm out of there in less than 10 minutes. So for those of you who stand those long lines in Nassau, long lines in Freeport, the government causes panic, people. This panic is man-made, and it shouldn't be. If you're going to lock down some people, listen, lock them down right away. 14 days, you guys could have been over this 14 days quarantine. But what they're doing to you guys is every 2 days, they lock you down for a couple hours, lock you down for a couple days, peace, and instead of going ahead and locking you guys down at one time, give you guys advance notice to get your food items. But what they're doing is causing a panic. That's not leadership, people. That's not leadership. Now, I'm not bragging about it, but listen, we have the same thing. We got to be in by 9. We can only go to the food store. We can only go to the drug stores. But guess what? There's no police officers out here harassing us. Nobody's beating us down and telling us what we can. Look around. Look. All right. Look again. Look at the parking lot. Everybody's nice and orderly. Cars are still moving around. Right? That's leadership, people. That's leadership. When you cause chaos and you set off panic with people, you got these long lines in Freeport, these long lines in Nassau, people are just panicking. That's all it is. Because guess what?
You tried to steal. Get out of here.
Guess what?
Did you see me steal?
Yep, so we got somebody stealing, look like. Anyway, so
Go back to pay.
So we got
Go back to pay.
unorganized leadership and we caused some panic. I was in Nassau in December. I went in, I can go in any store in Nassau. They got a lot of stores all over Nassau, little small stores. Super values. I mean, people are just shopping normally. So why create a panic? Why create the panic? And then why raise your prices to $8 for a dozen eggs? Come on, people. Come on, people. This is not normal. The supply chain, the food supply chain has not been disrupted. These people still got ships and barges coming in with food. So why are they raising the prices on you guys? That is greed, pure greed. And the government is yet to address this issue. This is ridiculous. Remember, these people that are in charge are rich people. They're millionaires. They're having their food flown in or people pick up their food. So they're not in these long lines like you are. But this is pure panic caused by leadership failure. That's my opinion. I'll say it to you guys if you don't want to say it. Leadership has a lot to do with this failure that you guys are experiencing right now in the Bahamas. I just want to tell you, I can go back in the store if you don't believe me. There's nothing. Everybody is shopping around West Palm Beach, Florida. Right? We all got our masks on. We all got our gloves on. We all keeping our social distance. We're not getting harassed by the police. They're not riding around. You won't see a police car in sight. Look around you. There's nobody here. Nobody here harassing anybody. All right? You guys living in a police state right now, and you guys are taking up for those police officers in the Bahamas. I understand they got a job, but the mandate they've been given is totally harassment and totally to lock you guys down and keep you guys in a state of panic.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And you can let me know what you think about some of the things that this person had said. Alright, yeah, so until the next time, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.